Silver has started the week on a bearish note. You can see it is coming out of this consolidation zone and it is giving a clear-cut breakout, but at the same time it has come to its support levels at 2180, which is a very good support, below which certainly 2150 levels is what you can look for. We will see more in detail in this analysis what to expect from silver today, which position you should take in order to profit. Watch till the end, listen to it carefully. Let's start. First, on the hourly charts, you can see straight bearish candles were seen here. 2220 is the resistance here, 2220 and 2240. These are the two key levels which it needs to break past by in order to confirm a reversal. If you note, while it was on the upside above 2240 levels, we have mentioned several times that 2240, 2220 is going to be a critical support zone here. That is what has happened, but it has fallen or it has breached these levels in a single go and it is stayed bearish. Now it has come down to its next at 2180. Now these are certainly key resistances. If you look at on the upside on the hourly charts, it is still staying bearish here. Support is seen at 2180 levels. I will recommend you to initiate a buying entry. See, if it stays above 22, possibility of a little rise exists. However, one must note that there are going to be great resistance. Look at these four candles, perfectly getting stronger resistance at 2220. Now 2220, 2240 is the zone which we need to be careful of. Another observation here is just the moving averages have crossed over here and are trading with divergence. And the prices are too much divergent from the moving average, which also calls for a little rise. However, again, the same 2240 levels where the 20 period sitting at is going to be a great resistance. Stochastic is extremely oversold. MACD is extremely bearish. It can potentially converge crossover from here. And look at the vertical fall here, extreme fall here. This also calls for a possible conversion. Also note that the candle size has diminished here. However, the bearishness has not diminished. So this is something interesting. The candle size is consistently reducing. However, the prices have continuously fallen. And this suggests that the bearish momentum certainly getting reduced. However, the bullishness is not there. And hence, buying is still not yet kicked in. However, I will still expect it to bounce back from these levels. RSI staying oversold. Coming to 2-hour, likewise on the 2-hour chart, see what will happen. Possibility for it to retrace a little exists. However, 2180 level certainly is a good support and only selling in position exists below 2180. 2180 is, this price has to be below 2180 for further bearishness. Though I do expect a little retracement, but if you note this, the moving averages slope has suddenly changed and it is looking vertically down. Also, one must note that the prices are too much divergent from the moving average. So what it may try to aspire is wait for the moving average to come down and let the price to lift up on the towards 2220, 2240 zone. Stochastic extremely oversold. MACD extremely divergent and bearish. Possibility for it to converge exists. RSI is also oversold. If you note at the likewise on the 3-hour charts, third straight bearish candle, getting support from the bottom of the Bollinger Bands at 2180, and which is definitely a great support. We discussed this on our weekly review and monthly review for silver, that what could be expected in month of October. 2180 was the key milestone here, and that is what is respected again. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI oversold. Coming to 4 hour. Now on the 4-hour chart, see candle size has consistently increased. Moving averages have, see this slope and this slope. The slope here has changed, suggest increasing bearishness. That is very, very clear. At the same time, the divergence of the price from the moving averages increases the chance for it to retrace soon. However, since the slope has changed now, it will wait for it to, the moving average to come down and then retrace towards those levels. If you look at a stochastic, this is extremely oversold. It does not mean that it cannot fall further. It can stay here oversold forever. But still, I will say, even if it continues to fall below 2180, there are going to come greater supports here on the downside, which may provide good support to silver and then force it to reverse. But then again, on the upside, 20 to 20 is the level it needs to break past by in order to confirm the rise. MACD is divergent, MACD is bearish, and see it is increasing here. It can probably continue to rise or continue to drop from here. It can continue to diverge. There is still a little room for it on the downside. You can note this. These were the triple bottom levels, and it is still falling shy of it. RSI is oversold. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily chart. The candle has started bearish and it has stayed bearish so far. Remember, it has still got the downward and it is still staying bearish. Now, as long as 2220 levels are not breached, we are not going to treat silver for a buying entry, and then ultimately 22. These levels are required to be breached on the upside in order to confirm the reverse. What it could probably drop, it could stress the drop further before looking forward to retrace and then retrace towards 22 or 2210 levels here. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is divergent. MACD is bearish. It is looking downwards. RSI is just entering into oversold levels. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell at 2180, but then with a caution note that the more the drop, the sharper the retracement will be. And on the upside, you should note 2220 is the level which it needs to break past by in order to confirm the reversal. As long as 2220 is respected, we are not going to treat silver for buying. So if you are selling at 2180, be careful, attentive. It has got very good support. 2150-60 zone is where it is going to get the next support levels. These are definitely going to remain a very good support level, 2150 and 2160 levels. Once it breaks below 2150, do not think of staying long in silver. Yes, it could retrace, but then every rise towards 2220 will be an opportunity to sell. If it breaks below 2150, remember, every rise towards 2220 will be an opportunity for you to sell silver. And this is for this week complete. And on the upside, you can buy here at 22, but with a caution note that 2210, 2220, very good resistance, then 2240, the third resistance. Only reversal confirmation if it stays above 2220. Bullish confirmation is if it stays above 2240 levels. That is the point beyond which I will turn bullish in silver and expect it to rise. Trade accordingly, trade profitably. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Your every like, share, comment is a great support. Also, you can join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on 9th of October. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. Do not miss this opportunity. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategy which can help you trade profitably. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day and see you again tomorrow with more detailed analysis on silver, gold, and other commodities along with major global indices. Thank you.